I'm meteorologist Kellyanne Chicalise. Good Monday morning to you. It is a cold start to our day and it stays cold and breezy through the afternoon. But the next threat on our radar is snow that's going to bring slick travel by the evening commute for your Tuesday. We're looking ahead to your weekend. It does appear that the unsettled, kind of stormy outlook is going to be around. There's a chance that we could see some rain snow mix in the area for several days. Let's get you through the timeline for snow in the forecast tomorrow. We're not talking about a blockbuster storm here, but I know so many of us do have to hit the roadways. So if you're heading out onto the roads in the morning, you'll be okay. Through about 10 o'clock in the morning, as we're just seeing the first flakes moving in from the southwest, the snow arrives, starts to turn steady through midday into the early afternoon. Keep in mind in areas along the south coast and southeastern Massachusetts, you'll start to see some mixing with rainfall. But the steadiest and heaviest snowfall expected between 3 to 8. It's during that time frame that the snow will start to stick. Accumulating snowfall expected for much of the area outside of southeastern Massachusetts, and then we'll see that snow tapering off after midnight. We are watching this piece of energy out to the Pacific Northwest, and that's going to race across right near the Canadian border. It'll also help to pick up some of this moisture that we're seeing out toward the Great Lakes area of the country, and that's going to bring that chance for snowfall into our area. We are dry for today, though. It's sunny, very cold. We're struggling to even hit 32 this afternoon. But with the wind in place, it's going to feel like it's in the low 20s. We have wind gusts of 20 to 30 miles per hour during the daytime hours. And then after sunset, the wind will start to settle and we will see increasing clouds. So your 12-hour forecast showing high temperatures for Boston in the low 30s, feeling like it's closer to 23 despite the sun in place. Increasing clouds tonight giving way to the storm. An alert day for you as we have snow and a mix for some. Let's break down the timeline. We move toward about 9 o'clock in the morning. We're seeing the first flakes moving in from the southwest. As mentioned, if you have to hit the roadways before 10, your roads should be okay. You will hit some areas of snow showers if you're heading south and westward. Keep that in mind if you're heading down 95, heading into the New York tri-state area. Let's get toward that midday hour, noon. You can see snow is widespread at that point, with mixing down toward the south coast and the islands, and that mixing line will likely start to slowly drift northward through the afternoon. This is paused at 3 o'clock. Notice how there's some pockets, some holes in the snow on the futurecast. It's indicating just how light the intensity of the snowfall is. That's why I don't expect much will actually stick before 3 o'clock. Beyond that, though, it is a steadier, more widespread snowfall in and around Boston. That's when we start to get the accumulating snowfall in the area. Meanwhile, you'll have that rain mixing in down toward far southeastern Massachusetts, starting to inch its way up through Plymouth County. We'll move toward midnight. You can see at that point the snow is still lingering up in northern New England, but here locally we are starting to dry out. And I do think in northern New England this could be a real snowmaker. Could see several inches of snowfall, half a foot in spots, but here locally it's a general 1 to 3 inches for most locations. Downtown Boston likely a little closer to an inch, and then in southeastern Massachusetts that's where you have the smallest amounts expected, coating to an inch, with really less than a coating as we have some rain in the forecast down toward the islands. As mentioned, could see a decent snowfall in northern New England. This is where we're definitely going to see a white Christmas, but here locally I would say the best chance of a white Christmas is north and west of Boston. As we dry out on Wednesday, the wind starts to pick up. It's a gusty northwest wind, so I do want to bring your attention to the late morning hours Wednesday. There may be a few ocean effect flurries that develop on the gusty wind. While most of us are free of this potential, if you're on the outer portions of Cape Cod, there will be that chance for snow flurries during the midday hours through the early evening on Wednesday. We do look dry for Christmas Day, so that's great for travel. And keep in mind, we're near 40 Wednesday and Thursday, so that inch of snow in Boston likely is going to melt. But we are going to look ahead to the unsettled pattern for Friday into the weekend. A lot of timing uncertainties here and the tracks, very, very uncertain with the models right now. But I will say at this point, you could see the potential for some rain snow mix moving in later Friday into Saturday, and then another system Sunday. Looks like it's trending toward later in the day Sunday, and it does look like it's going to bring a potential for rain. We'll keep you updated on that potential in the days ahead.